What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review we have another bird feeder, you guys. And with this bird feeder, as usual, it is squirrel proof. This is weight activated, just like the last couple of bird feeders that I reviewed. I will try to put everything in a playlist, and at the end of this video I will put the playlist at the end of this video, or I will try to put it in the description. However that works, however we're gonna work it out. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I did do a squirrel proof one a few weeks ago. Somebody put in the comments that the squirrel still got to it, blah 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 blah. When I post a video, I don't post that day. Okay, I don't post the video that same exact day. Usually when I have a feeder like this, I wait like a good week, or maybe like I give it like 5 days. So I'll give it 5 days to see the squirrels' activities and stuff like that. How long it takes them to go on the feeder and get used to it and stuff like that. So yes, the squirrels did find a way on the red feeder, but they don't eat from the red feeder like how you think they usually eat. So if they get onto a feeder, and let's say if it's not squirrel proof, they can eat from that feeder all day. They can just eat from it all day. The red feeder, I don't think squirrels like eating upside down, you guys, because even as I speak right now, I always keep more food in the red feeder that I reviewed a few weeks ago than the other feeders. So for the guy that, or for the person who sent that comment, next time ask, oh, how long did it take for squirrels to figure the feeder out? That's all you gotta do. But all in all, the squirrels back here, they don't like eating upside down. I am an integrity-based channel, you guys. I'm not going to sit here and just lie to y'all. All right, if something is not good, I post it. If something's good, I post it. And that's just the way this channel works. All right, and here we go. Now, this feeder is from a company called DENSAIL. So there you go. All right, of course it's weight activated. Says it's easy to fill. We will definitely check that out. It's not that big, 2.5 pounds for putting food in here. So right here you have the legs right there and right there. Now these are called a name. I always forget the name, so I call them the legs. Or you could call it the feet rest, whatever you want to call it. So I always forget the name of that. So this is pretty cool. You can kind of see the spring. So if you look right there, the spring is right here. So we will see if the squirrels will figure this one out. Now, I'm pretty sure they might figure it out, just because this one is more close to the top. Like I said, I got baby squirrels back here, so they're a little bit lighter than the adult squirrels. So they might try to just stay here and then feed from here, but we will see. We will see, you guys. All right, so as far as the quality of the build, it don't look like the metal is pretty much thin. You twist this top. Now my brome feeder out there, the metal is good quality metal, very thick. You twist this top open, and then that's it. I think I might leave this as the center of attention like I did the other one, and then I'll introduce the other feeders. That way, you know, this can get a proper review. So catch y'all when we are done reviewing the squirrels having fun. All right, everyone, so the birdies are looking for the feeders right now, and I have to say that the birds really love this new feeder that we got in. I don't know what it is about this feeder, but they are really gravitating to this feeder right here. All right, now I did see a squirrel try to get into it, but we could get more into that From what I seen, the squirrel didn't get into it. I need to look back over to some older footage, but I need to look through the footage to see what kind of squirrel actions was going on. But other than that, from what I saw, I just saw, oh, and I dropped all that stuff up here. I just saw one squirrel try to get in here and they didn't succeed. Again, this is a smaller feeder, so a squirrel will probably find a way to get in here. Hold on. Now I need to get my scooper. All right, you guys. Remember I put y'all onto this scooper? Awesome scooper, you guys. Love it. If I remember, I'll put a link in the description. But once again, this feeder right here is number one. The birds love this feeder. I don't know why, but they do. The squirrel's not really gravitating too much to this one. Like I said, I had one squirrel on here, from what I seen, try to get into this feeder, but we will see through the footage, and then I might do some commentary on the footage to my final thoughts, and then wrap up the review. But I mean, other than that, the birds love this feeder, you guys. The squirrels are not too much. The feeder that the squirrels really like trying to get into. They like trying to get into both of these two over here. So the Brome and the Walmart one. And I don't know if they got this on Amazon or not, but the Walmart one, even the Blue Jays love this one. If you put some seeds mixed with nuts, the Blue Jays love this feeder right here. So yeah. Other than that, I'll do my final commentary on the footage, or I might just do my final commentary somehow, something different. But I'll give y'all my final thoughts. You don't even spill too much product with this, you guys. But the only thing about this one is it's short. So if the squirrels could hang, they could probably hang and just eat from here. So that's the only issue. The thing with these feeders that block squirrels is that they're longer, so it takes a while for the squirrel actually has to come on the feeder to reach all the way down to the feeding. So that's the difference between a short one and a big one, or a long one. All right, and it's about 90 degrees out here, you guys. One more, then I'm gonna get out this heat because I am sweating, you guys. It is hot. Wow, I don't think I'm gonna be doing no outside work today. They didn't eat too much from this one, but I'm just gonna fill it up, and that's enough. All right, you guys, good to go. I am about to set these up, call it a day or a morning. You guys, so let's go ahead and put the fun toys out. All right, we hit it out, you guys. Let's see if we could get some squirrel action today. I'm gonna look through all of my footage and see what we can do, or see what I see. All right, I'm gonna hang this one up over here. My bad if y'all can't see nothing. I'm gonna hang this one up over here this time, and this time, let me hang this one over here. All right, bada boom. Flip the feet out because I forgot to do that last time. All right, everything is up, and we are going to be monitoring today and tomorrow. All right, you guys, so we are here again. All right, now I couldn't get no squirrel action, you guys. I had this out for weeks. I don't think the squirrels like this feeder, but we are going to put it up to the test. We're going to put some nuts in here this time to see if they will at least get some type of smell of attraction. I might put some seeds on the bottom because it's going to be harder. Maybe the smell of the nuts might attract the squirrels, so we are going to just put some nuts in here, leave it out, leave the camera on it, and let's see the squirrels try to fight to get into this feeder right here. See how fun it will look. Maybe a bird might get a nut out of here. We will see. All right, you guys, so we are about a few weeks in with this feeder. I didn't get no squirrel action, so what I'm going to do is put some nuts in it. Maybe the smell might attract them. We're gonna put some nuts in there, see how much the squirrels will fight to get into this feeder. And yeah, so the purpose of me doing these little feeder tests is to test out the squirrel proof of it, and plus the feeder is pretty cool. All right, so let's see how this works. Let's see what we catch today.